indices. We want to solve these questions on the board. Simplify. 16 over 8 raised to power minus 2 over 3. Let's solve the first question first. We have 16 over 8 raised to power minus 2 over 3. We are going to express 16 in index form. So that will be 2 raised to power 4. And we are going to express this 8 in index form as well. So we have 2 raised to power 3. And don't forget that 8 is raised to power minus 2 over 3 here. So this 3 we eliminate this 3 because this one is numerator while this one serves as denominator. So we are going to have 2 raised to power 4 over 2 raised to power minus 2. And don't forget, according to the law of indices, when we have 2 raised to power 4 over 2 raised to power minus 2, it's going to be 2 raised to power 4 minus, but we have minus 2 here, minus 2. And this will give us 2 raised to power 4 minus times minus will give us plus 2. We have 2 raised to power 6. And 2 raised to power 6 will give us 64. Let's solve question 2. We have 27 raised to power 2 over 3 multiplied by 81 raised to power 1 over 4 over 9 raised to power 3 over 2. We are going to express 27 in index form, which will be 3 raised to power 3. Don't forget that we have 2 raised to power 3. Multiplied by 81 will be expressed in form of 3 raised to power 4. We close the bracket, raised to power 1 over 4. Over 9 will be 3 raised to power 2. Don't forget that we also have raised to power 3 over 2 here. So this 3 will eliminate this 3 here. 4 will eliminate 4 here. 2 will eliminate each other here. So we are going to have 3 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 1 over 3 raised to power 3. And according to the law of indices, 3 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 1 will be 3 raised to power 2 plus 1 over 3 raised to power 3, which will give us 3 raised to power 3 over 3 raised to power 3. And according to the law of indices as well, when the base are equivalent, we are going to have 3 raised to power 3 minus 3, which will give us 3 raised to power 0. And don't forget that any number that is raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Then the third question, number 3, we have y raised to power 1 over 2 multiplied by y raised to power minus 1 multiplied by y raised to power 3 over 2. According to the law of the indices, when we have the same base, we are going to add up the power. So we are going to have y raised to power 1 over 2 plus minus 1 plus 3 over 2. And this will give us y raised to power 1 over 2 plus times minus will give us minus plus 3 over 2. So we are going to find the LCM, which will be 2. Y raised to power, we have 2 here. 2 into, that will give us 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1. Minus 1 into will be 2. 2 times 1 will give us 2. Plus 2 into, which will give you 1. 1 times 3 will be 3. And we are going to have 1 minus 2, it will give us minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 will give us 2. So we are going to have 2 over 2 as our powers, which will give us 1. So we end up having y raised to power 1 which is equals to y. Thank you.